Ever find yourself arguing about the priority of tech debt and maintenance related work? It's a tricky subject. There are so many features we need to implement, and most of them are super important. But at the same time, neglecting maintenance is a recipe for disaster. Development will slow down, we will start seeing more bugs, angry customers, and major incidents. It can be very helpful to define service level objectives, as seen here, or an agreement with your team for how you're going to prioritize these things. You can tweak the numbers to what makes sense for your team. I like having what I call a zero bug tolerance and deal with these bugs relatively quickly. Even small bugs can start causing side effects or make customers irritated. I also like dealing with security vulnerabilities in a similar fashion because of the risks they impose. Upgrading libraries is less urgent but can help you prevent bugs, security vulnerabilities, and improve performance. Also, having multiple libraries behind can make it very challenging to deal with security vulnerabilities. Generic maintenance is most often less urgent, but you should plan out when you're gonna do them, otherwise you might never, especially when it's impacting developer experience. You can also add other SLOs that you think are important to make sure quality is not degrading. Overall, make sure your team has a strategy to deal with maintenance and tech debt. Good luck.